Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to give you a full review on Nifty. Simply click the link in the description box to access the platforms. So let's jump right in. Nifty is an agile project management software trusted by more than 20,000 teams. With Nifty, you can collaborate with multiple team members on large projects. It's a collaborative workspace that offers task management, reporting, time tracking, and more to streamline, centralize, and modernize work operations. Nifty is relatively young, but has built a solid reputation with favorable user reviews. Let's start by discussing the best features of Nifty. Its features include discussions, roadmaps, goals, tasks, forms, docs and files, time tracking reporting, project home and project portfolios. In addition to its simple interface, Nifty is useful for agile development, client management, digital agencies, legal case management, marketing teams, and product teams. Nifty PM also offers API integrations, security, and consultants. One of Nifty's strengths is its integration with popular apps like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, and more. In the terms of pricing, Nifty offers a free plan to help users get started. Starter is second plan, which includes all essential features at pricing $39. Third plan is Pro, includes all enhanced features at pricing $79. Fourth plan is Business, which is best for advanced workflows at pricing $124. Lastly, Unlimited Plan, which is a fully scaled solution for organizations, is priced at $339. Overall, Nifty sets itself apart from other project management tools with its extensive features. Ultimately, the choice between Nifty and ClickUp in 2024 depends on the organization's specific requirements, budget, and preferences. Simply click the link in the description box to try Nifty for free. Thank you for watching.